Hi friends, welcome to our fun math class. Today we are going to solve an exciting puzzle. Are you ready? Look at this. We have a bunch of 4 pencils in a holder. And guess what? The total cost of this bunch is 20. But here's the tricky part. We don't know how much one pencil costs. Let's figure it out together. Let's use a little math magic. We'll call the cost of one pencil X. That's a fun way to say we don't know its value yet. So, if one pencil costs X, then the cost of 4 pencils will be X plus X plus X plus X equals 20. Or we can write it like this: 4 times X equals 20. Now, let's find out what X is. To do that, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 4. Like this: 4 times X divided by 4 equals 20 divided by 4. That leaves us with X equals 5. Ta-da! We solved it. Each pencil costs 5. Isn't that amazing? Math helps us solve puzzles like this every day. Remember, whenever you don't know something in math, you can use a little math magic to find the answer. Keep practicing and you'll become a math wizard in no time. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next math adventure. Bye!